everyone, and welcome to Cricut Time. Subscribe to see new videos each week with project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, we will be making this spooky centerpiece just in time for Halloween. For this project, I will be using this Halloween plate that I picked up from the dollar store. You can also use a charger plate instead. Next, I have this skull jar, also from the dollar store. And finally, I will be using some matte vinyl in black. I found today's design right in Design Space by looking up spiderweb, and I'll include its image number in the description below. I'll start out by cutting a piece of vinyl a bit larger than my design. I'll stick it down to a green mat and use a brayer to make sure it's stuck down smoothly. Now I'll pop it into my Maker 3. You can use a Cricut or Silhouette for this step. Next, I can use my weeder tool to pull off the background. I'll just flip the mat over and peel the mat away from the vinyl to get it off. Next, I'll use a piece of transfer tape and stick it onto my design. I'll use my scraper tool to stick the transfer tape down to the vinyl. Then I can flip it over and pull off the backing paper. Now I can line the design up into position. That looks good. I'll just use my scraper to stick the vinyl down. Now I'll carefully pull off the transfer tape. This looks good already, just how it is. I like that the vinyl is matte and a bit more subtle. I have my skull jar here, and it is perfect because it comes with a nice flat lid. My glue gun is ready to go, and I'll just put some glue on the lid. And stick the plate down right in the center. Well, there you go. This plate has been changed into a spooky centerpiece, ready for some Halloween treats. Well, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.